Yep.
Look, there's the river. Right, the river is over there. See, on the other side, on the right side of the train tracks. Here. Oh, there's a choo-choo.
Wave to the train. Wave, guys. The freight train. That's quite a freight train. Look, double loaded.
The Polar Express! Holy rip! Oh, maybe it's a Polar Express. Wait for us!
I bet this train's over a mile long. It's going to be a while. I'm going to use up all my battery. I've been filming for a minute.
Yeah, it's still not. Still not done.
Everybody wave hi.
Wave! Oh, wave, guys!
You're on video.
Wave!
Go back to the train. I'm also going to take the exact coordinates of this point.
Okay, so you can find it again
Yeah.
on the height. Yeah, definitely. This is, you didn't come through here.
No, it's a little spur, but now we have to get back on the trail.
I think let's go back to where we came, right? And see, right?
Well, we want to go that way, not that way.
Okay, so go back up and then turn.
Yeah. Gabriel, don't go close to the edge. Gabriel, stay right where you are.
Can you get that sand?
No, you don't.
No.
That's too dangerous. That's a cliff. Goes all the way down pretty much to the train tracks. It's like a cliff all the way down. Freddie, there's the end of the train. Where's the caboose? They forgot the caboose.